Mama wakwaba wo frame me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo ababa we a okase oye Voltarian ofri Volta region na okire se onte ase se Ghana ha no bi support party bia na wa be yetanfo o support NPP na NDC food di watem o support NDC na NPP food di atem o dwo ho kra wonte ase ewiase obia na nakoma eda ne mu obia na nadwen eda ne trim ivi wo maame odo ba asase so kra wonte me ne ndwempe wonua no a ne omo fie fun ba wonte me ne omo ndwempe inti so obi no ni me ne wan nti no support ne party ama non support obi support NDC a fine obi support NPP a fine adenti obi support NDC NPP nti wonte aso bedi na tem adenti obi support NDC nti wonte aso bedi na tem by force ababa we kire so support NPP because titupa ene hohoi Peter Mewu de wa ye hohoi na nyasem ketua nti omo de sisi hohoi siti na akoye NPP muchu mu tan kra NPP bupa mu ndi omo atem enkosi anapa kopme nwbre NPP omo de omo ntehwe nti se atem na omo de omo kra 2024 NPP an ekoye nti ensema ode etudwa.
Know you are Jimakpala. Meaning, don't you know you are uncultured? Don't you know you entity we? Hey, so you think Volta region is enslaved to NDC? So everybody in Volta region support NDC? No. We the people in Hohwe and with our MP, we said this time is for NPP. Read my lips, NPP. No amount of insult can change me or anybody or the youth in Hohwe. And even this is not written on my forehead. And even everything for my MP and the party, I'm ready for it. You understand? So you can go ahead and insult. All you know is insult. Show working, you can't show. You are insulting. Yeah? Don't worry. 8th December, we'll show you your level, okay? Jimakpala. Blamasi. Ooh, I show a yeah, we ya. Poppy. Remember, you are calling me Avuzi. So, I will not come to your level of uneducated being and insult you. No. All I will do is to still project my party, still advertise my party. If you can't do it, if you don't have the skill to project your party, keep insulting. You people, you are cursed with insults. All you can do best is insult. You can't project, you can't promote, you can't do anything. All you are best is lying and insulting. Keep it up. You understand? But Volta, Hohwe, we have taken it, if you like it or not. The youth said it's for us, and people cannot do anything about it. If you like, you can call me all names. It won't stop me from doing what I'm doing. Okay? We still project and keep projecting. Yes, people are asking, why is it that I'm wearing only Johnny's t-shirt? Don't worry. As soon as we receive the t-shirts, the campaign t-shirts, you will clap for us. You will see it on the app. Don't worry. We are for the party, not for individual. Obianjini too.
NDC hospital BN home mutimisha asiriwa. Many workers also medical can several times. Dodo video be also am boy. Me say your district hospital many workers are we anya dan hunu ne yaziazu. E mach mfidie egum a aka 1 theater per machine and one more clear very soon in terms of Baba Kayansa na ya pebre na ya commission hospital. That is NPP for you. Agenda 111 also na 6 polyclinics become.
That's right.
Yes, so I'm a beneficiary of one of the polyclinics. Yeah, we are there. Ko anomanji here am so wonya hoho so am ha. And this in chair one hospital o mo sha so mu wi. What you say? sorry, na mu tuetu ya so na magazine egu. O say the other time ibusa o say magazine emu. Ade bi gu magazine na ye dum so. Enfie nan ne fa. Ene na gu magazine. NDC batina so nyina Africa apanyin pen so. Ade na mo ye na magazine so. Wotina unya konya bi atena radio so a. Wo reference point your magazine. And then about we ba yentimi nya bibi from like because say ade bi a channel so there. Nanso yetimi aye hospital was one magazine. And then run it 24 hours. NDC abanda na moyama magazine for house there. Na magazine egu. Enti na mri bi mibusa so be kai a mse ne ka say anya bi o de koma carpenter for ana. Ka bia say ya de koma magazine. It is all party a good magazine. You doom so because the panic can you say what bad you ma or better you move from a compliment you na canianama. Ashanti region, your name said the Anaya Quine, a tear, a chrome hanum under NDC. So let's not create the impression. Yes, baby, NPP. I always say, you go as Antimaya Quansun in Accra and Yerry. I didn't that.
Oda be saba unche eda me wo bre barbecue
asem na na sampan aka ni nyina no sabio obi e ni ho no ma ye bo na ba so a wo mpe a de bia on the party ni na aya na ye ti akira ye de ama won na tabia me ensem ni bi wo so a ehia se oba be yi wo ho anu pi because ya mfa to me na ma se be kire nsem mu kire o ma so what I say because ya de ma se bra be solve problems. Fortunately for us contractor for no o ma start dwumadi e wo airport no I say why a sino hydro projects ni nyina no eba breaki o ma so what I say and KGT e no so no sa group na no na eka ho no mo yes adwuma no enti once asa negotiations no nyina kwa awie yes de sam eka no na enti ase aba no sa funding sources so ni nyina de na ekura mu bia ne begiem amadwumadi a wasi ye bedi no ya ba beto aso oba so an hanu manye KGT anko na ya affected Unimbrema West dia ye dreams e wo ho nyina aye abohia dreams e wo mantem ho no mafa angel school no side ho nyina oba New York a ye dreams e wo mantem ho dodo na ni nyina ye sign no hydro project no oma ye graveling cry was certain areas but no say omo e hold it on I mean say we no ensenkan ni nyina akwa akosi no di bibi ekura mu bia no e be free mu ama say omo nyina ba be start omo adwuma ama ye manfo ate ye mpata mu ye enya market enya dwadi nko a areas ni bia eno so ye akwan ene ye de ye no omo nyina no so eho ahan wo na ade ba akwa ya na ha adwene ne say what is a NDC ni kasa you wonder say NDC em say Ashanti region mu ye adwuma pa na woni e den na mo ye NDC den na mo ye na santima mu ha mo sori a mo ma ya so enko adidi
ala please Francis your microphone is even off
they say NDC
a rhetorical question wa modi
santima mu ha
manin kana
say pro no me wi abekwa ko hua glass
hey what that Francis
because this is so unusual of him what you say and ya dey na NDC ye na santima mu ha nwanwa omo sori omutuetu ayaso ade na omo de omo nsa kan e pa omutimi wie e wa santima mu ha omo ganjere
o se tafo market omo na bie
tafo market
atonsu
me nyabote
omo na ye
me ka
asawase me ba jo bacho wa bo me ensa o se anya hwe no tie me kasa
the source of funding of we
and funding and nobody is talking about funding we are talking about something that has been completed
me say me wo ho no me nya say yes
okay omu wi ana o ma nwie
nyabote
hello Francis allow me omu wi tafu market na o ma nwie
o ma nyabote me say NDC for nka ade o mo sha say o mu wi I'm building a point.
Okay.
Nyabote
me too
na omo enya sorry a omo ye dede etua yaso
okay
number 1 omo ka market KGT market omo timi wi no mko me busa
yeah phase 1
forget about phase 1 mu wi phase 1 time be mu wi phase 1 time be
ya wi phase 1 come beche
mu wi phase 1
ya wi phase 1 come beche
Meba, Francis. Francis, he's raised an issue, meba. Alentina obekasa omanwie. Dientina obekasa.
Na assembly ni nyina na yewo ho. Kajetia at that time NDC free so in 2016. Na yenwie.
Mu yenwie come che.
Kajetia na yewie.
Okay.
Na yenwie.
Dientina obekasa ne omunwie.
Enya me na make o. I'm stating fact.
Okasa na yenwie ya. Na yenwie shop no. Na eniema bi.
Na enioma djuma omo ye ohokrampo was na ye complete. Eniema ni bebre.
Okay.
That decision was taken by the assembly. Me ka ho. Say ye pese ye kwaya market. But you know assemblies now say that say usik o pesika aye bibi na try a certain threshold. E was say ko ministry no. Ministry no the be parliament no makwa ko secure funding. It you do by na aniswade hunu na ba kase say e was say aban ni take over. I credit NDC for that bold initiative or mobile best start here. Or my what you say. But me pese me more o ma dwene ba so say wo sha se na me be wie ya you don't take 100% credit for what you did. That is number 1. That is why I say omo nchira made ba akwa omo wie. Number 2 yanko Aswanse market. Oh my Aswanse market na etisen. Ni busa mo etisen. Eti Aswanse market we na mode bom hosafo hene. Wonim sa wonim ade abaako wonim amai wonim ade abaako e wa Aswanse. O se ne yemu bi criticize Kwadwobo nso. We did so for a reason. Wonim that market na wa Aswanse no. On crop market so o de me no na wo so am heye on that crop market wo you making provisions for a clinic, a police station, fire service post anyway sound was en Aswanse market ne we actually no government funded project na ye no na ya the part as am a private person
it's sorry TI
of course part half of it, more than half, and then my private person, just so we can shortchange the people of Kumasi. What you say? You don't think because
Francis, Mema Omre, Manin Kasa. Francis, no, to me soon Kasa only one Manin Kasa.
Young Quatafo. I'm sorry, I'm almost the shops waterful. A champhone is shops no waterful. Something many who can say the terminal cry water for no e wa chamfo nsam ubu sam sentide oh me say
Francis you have your time, write everything down. Francis
me new to this
hello hold it for me
because I new
hold a minute Francis who tell me
too
those times in Nanka Max or Subetimi Akandi, okay, Nanka Kwebanta. There be Obemu are just a matter say, and one.